So what are the citation styles, right? So there are different academic disciplines that are associated to different specific guidelines to organize then the material and to cite the specific sources. The rules are published as style manuals. And while each citation system is distinct, the underlying rationale is the same. So it's to facilitate written communication among members in a scholarly community. So all these is there are a lot of books that actually are you can read, and there is a lot of materials that you can read about citation styles and about all those manuals. But then what is important is that you really use what is most adapted to what you need actually to write, if what you write does not come with the specific guidelines. And when this is not, meaning that when is the case that there are no specific guidelines, it underlines between lines that you need to use the APA citation style, which is now in the 7th edition, and actually is the style that is most frequently used in the social and behavioral science, such as psychology, linguistic, education, as well as nursing and business. But sometimes there are also medical papers that are written with this style. So the first style rules were published in 1929 and is defined as APA because of the American Psychological Association. And this association has produced so far 7 editions of the publication manuals in the ensuing 80 plus years. So the APA style relies on in-text citations. So what means is that you are writing a sentence and then you open the parentheses and you insert the author and the date. And then, it is really needed, actually, this citation to avoid plagiarism, but to paraphrase or as well to summarize what are the ideas that were put forth and to quote the material within paper. So in-text citation correspond to sources in the reference list at the end of the paper. Remember that citation is within the text and the reference list is at the end of your manuscript.